God damn, boy! Kasi daming klito! Ano naman?
Split up, you fucking bitches.
Everybody now.
Alright boys, another episode of the rebuild vlog on the Skyline going on today. We got Frank the Tank running around down there, and yes, I'm sitting in my living room. So, I just ordered some new car parts for the car. It should probably arrive in like 10 minutes or so. Hopefully, so we can pick that up and get the Skyline build going. But, wait a minute. Nice. If you could just focus. Nice, already here. Let's go get it, boys. Alright, SWAT team, we're in the freaking car. Let's go pick up our fucking shitty package we got. So, let's go, boys. Yeet! So I went in there recording and all that shit, and they went all loco on me. So I had to pick my shit up and get it by hand. So now we're at the garage. We got the packages, so let's go, boys. So we brought the packages inside. We're gonna crack these open. And before we crack open the packages, I just want to remind you of one thing. I have a friend in this garage, Zuckii, as you all know. He's turning 25, so we've done some shit to his car. So first, let's open these, then I'll show you what we've done with the car and what we are going to do with the car. So let's go. So, open. Didn't work, so okay. So let's start with this small one, if we can get it open. Hardly, but luckily we have a knife. Remember, kids, stay in drugs, don't do school. God damn it, Chinese people. Crack it open. Oh, beautiful. So we got some titanium heat wrap, and we got a T3 titanium turbo hat as well. So with the springs, that should be good to keep the warmth away from the rest of the components. So let's go for the big one, which is the fascinating and fun one. Crack it open. Oh, lovely. Holy shit. We got a sticker, which is good. Oh shit, we got 2 stickers. Awesome. That we will need. Let's put them aside in a safe spot. We got the receipt, fuck that. Some vacuum hose. I think this is like 5 meters. Probably 5 or 4, whatever. Put that aside. Okay, we got a shit ton of tubes in here. So we got some 2.5 to 3 inch. We got some aluminum. Another 2.5 to 3 inch. We got a shit ton of stuff down here. So now we can finally complete our freaking intercooler. So this is sweet. Let's go. So, as you saw, we were shooting, or blowing up some balloons, rather to say. And why, you might be wondering? Well, it's because of Zuckii. He's turning 25, and he only turned 25 once. So in the quick intro, you saw me shooting off this golden glitter shit. Holy shit, we got one more left, which is silver. So we're still trying to decide if we're gonna shoot it across the car or into the car. We haven't decided yet. I know if I shoot it inside the car, he's gonna be so fucking pissed. Might be worth the reaction for that, but for now we got this and we're just gonna plan some more, then we'll see what happens. We need to sweep up all of this and put it on the car as well. And I accidentally hit a bit of Alexander's car as well, but who cares. So let's keep going. Alright, so Zuckii just arrived, so I'm gonna talk in Swedish with him, so just stay tuned, boys. So let's see what he has to say about all of fucking this. Alright, I'm freaking out. I'm so nervous right now because I know he's gonna be pissed.
2,000 years later.
Du? Du vet om hur mycket jag älskar dig? Nej. Men på min bil? Nej. Jag har gjort ett ganska stort misstag.
Nej.
Jo.
Jag ser på bilen igen då.
Kommer du hjälpa mig ändå? Alltså det är ett grovt misstag.
Okej då.
Ja, tack. Det är ganska grovt.
Åh nej! Nej, vad fan sysslar ni med? Nej. För helvete. Får ni fan ge er.
Jag sa till dig! Jag sa till dig att du skulle vara med i en vlogg.
Han blir så trött.
Jag känner gillar det.
Han blir så trött.
Vad tycker du, Zuckii?
Vad har ni gjort med min bil? Stackars bil. Fast det är bara på klar förbättring.
Fucking new. Nice one.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Your package as well. Fast den det är från din hona. Det är så bra.
The apocalypse.